Today I am going to show you how to remove a price tag without using anything except the same ink that was used to make this. And likewise, you can use a blue pen. Over here in this case, this is using this Camlin. Okay, you need one of these Camlin whiteboard markers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it, okay, and I'm going to remove this. So let's see, it would come out like that. Okay, okay, all right, okay, and let's see how it goes. So most of it has come out, right? So just this. There you go.